Today, I'm going to show you how to send follow-up messages in Typeform. This is a powerful feature that allows you to automatically email your respondents after they complete your form, making it perfect for sending thank you notes, confirmations, or personalized follow-ups based on their answers. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see all your existing forms displayed. From here, click on the name of the form you want to add follow-up messages to. If you don't have a form yet, you can create a new one by selecting the appropriate option. Once you're inside your form editor, look toward the top of the page and click on Workflow. This is where all the automation magic happens in Typeform, allowing you to set up triggers and actions that respond to how people interact with your form. After clicking Workflow, you'll see a right panel appear. Navigate to the Messages section within this panel and click the plus button. This opens up the options for creating a new automated message workflow. Now click Add Trigger. A trigger is essentially the condition that will activate your follow-up message. You'll be presented with several trigger options to choose from. You can select any full response if you want to send a message every time someone completes your entire form, or any partial response if you want to reach out even when someone doesn't finish. You can also get more specific by choosing a full response with conditions, which lets you send messages based on particular answers when someone lands on the selected endings, or any full response based on score/tag if you're using Typeform's scoring features. Choose the trigger that best fits your needs, then click Save. Next, click Add Action. This is where you define what happens when your trigger condition is met. From the options that appear, choose Send Email to Respondent if you want the message to go directly to the person who filled out your form, or you can receive email notifications yourself if you prefer to be alerted about new responses. Here's something important to note. In order to enable Send Email to Respondent, you must first upgrade your Typeform account, as this feature isn't available on the free plan. Since I'm using a free trial account, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do once you upgrade. Once you've selected your action, you'll need to type the recipient email addresses. If you're sending to respondents, you can use variables from your form like at email to automatically pull their email address from their response. This makes the process seamless and personalized. Next, customize the email subject and body. This is where you can really personalize your follow-up by using response variables. For example, if you want to address them by name or reference specific answers they gave, you can insert variables like at question 1, at question 2, and so on. This creates a much more engaging and relevant message for each respondent. Finally, once you've crafted your perfect follow-up message, click Save. Your automated follow-up workflow is now active, and Typeform will handle sending those messages based on the triggers and actions you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated follow-up messages in Typeform, which will help you stay connected with your respondents and provide them with timely, personalized communication. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.